Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, welcome. I'm Alicia, and as you can see by the title, today I am doing a fridge clean out. On like Instagram, TikTok or Reels or whatever, you see those really like aesthetically pleasing, really like cool fridges where they have like drinks all set up in one way and containers for everything. Well, let's just say I got into a deep dive on TikTok and I was like, I need to clean my fridge, and this is how this video came about. But also, we have been in this house 7 months now and I have not cleaned the fridge, okay? So that also was motivating me to clean the fridge. So if you need to clean your fridge, I hope this motivates you to clean it. But yeah, I was going for just a clean fridge. I mean, aesthetically pleasing. Hello, I have 5 kids. It's never gonna happen in a house. So I was just really needing to clean this fridge out and check expiry dates and all of that fun stuff. So anyway, this is going to be more of a time-lapse and voiceover video. I hope you enjoy. Thank you for clicking. And yeah, I'm gonna put some music in so you don't have to hear me talking the whole time.
Side by side we sway there in all the colors. Summer love, lonesome dove, folded on the lawn chair in all the colors. Summer love. Stop giving back.
I'm just doing the veggie drawer and oh my goodness, there was literally stuff growing in here. I can't believe I let it get this bad. But literally I had to like spray it and then it was not coming out. And then I had to use detergent or dishwashing liquid to like scrub it, and then I decided I was just gonna let it soak and do its thing while I washed vegetables and prepped everything for the week ahead. This was filmed on a Sunday, so I thought I might as well do all the prep while I'm doing my fridge clean out.
Honeysuckle, fresh cut grass. I could really use some stuff like that. Talk to me and tell me all that you've seen, all the colors. Summer love, memories washed in every shade of green and all the colors. Summer love, remember the lazy river day canoe, bathing in the turquoise blue, losing track of time with you. Another peach pie sunset view, sleeping in the afternoon. No place to be and nothing to prove. That's sure something I could use. A cure for the air-conditioned blues. Could you use some?
hope you guys enjoy this video. And yeah, I'm just putting everything back. It's really not aesthetically pleasing as I see online, but this is real life. Sorry to disappoint. Anyway, I will catch you guys in my next video. Thanks for watching.
to